Guys, quick news about GameStop NFTs, crypto. They just launched a website, nft.gamestop.com. Shout out to Discord, to Cass and Cryptic dropping this. I guess this site launched at like midnight last night, or I guess this morning. It's nft.gamestop.com, and yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be. This is basically power to the players, power to the creators, power to the collectors. It looks like they're building a team for people to develop, design, gamers, marketers, whoever. We kind of saw this before with their list of people they were recruiting and hiring, but this is the first official, I guess, website we've seen from them. This could be huge to have this come out right now when we're getting the failed to delivers. This could be kind of an external catalyst that will push the stock price much higher than it would have been. So if the stock price is already going up, to push it even harder with something like an external event like this, that could start a gamma squeeze, that could start a short squeeze. Yeah, so if you know about crypto and NFTs, I am not well versed in it. However, you can copy this and think something Ethereum. They're using Ethereum. I don't know how it works. Here's their token. Whatever. I am going to do some more research on it. But shout out to the guys on Discord for pointing this out, and I want to share it with any of you guys that are following GameStop closely, and this little Easter egg game you can play with a cat on a moon. Oh, it's so epic. Jumping over rockets. So I don't know, I mean, I don't know quite how it all works, but my limited understanding is, I thought it was like a 1-up, like an extra life there. Anyways, yeah, here it is. This is the beginning of something big for them, and I'm stoked. I think this could be huge. Could be a huge catalyst. I haven't heard anything about it, honestly. I guess this site just dropped this morning, but I haven't heard any news about it or anything going on. And I think all today's price action was from the failed to deliver. Yeah, but Ryan Cohen's tweet with the guy floating up in his shorts, and then today with failed to deliver. Tomorrow it might be crazy. I don't know if this picks up traction. I don't know how big of a catalyst this is, but this seems pretty legit to me, as far as it's definitely coming from GameStop and them having an NFT and maybe a crypto and then a crypto dividend, and all the different theories we've heard. So I don't know, but that's all I got for you. This is nft.gamestop.com. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money 6th round. Jump on our Discord or Twitter. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.